Apple has a plan for iPhone SE 3. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you're all doing good. iPhone SE 3, a budget flagship killer, is back with the latest news. If you're looking to get this device, then you may be disappointed by this decision of Apple. It is almost confirmed what kind of a design we will get in the iPhone SE 3 and its specs. iPhone SE 3 2022 is ready to unveil in next month, and some of the latest rumors confirming the date, which is going to happen on 8th of March 2022 along with the iPad Air new generation. Apple has a clear plan for their SE series smartphone, where if you expect a new design this year, then it is not going to happen. There are chances that you only get Touch ID with the iPhone SE 3, just like its predecessor, the iPhone SE 2. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, are you willing to update to iPhone SE 3? Apple this time sticking with the older design for the iPhone SE 3. It is almost confirmed we get a lot of leaks and mockups of the new iPhone SE 3 in which we can clearly see the Touch ID on the front, just like the iPhone SE 2 or iPhone 8. The display size will be around 4.7 inches. There are a few rumors suggesting the new design like the iPhone 11, but that will going to happen next year, not this time. Meanwhile, the price is very competitive, and for that you can compromise on design and get the latest iPhone with A15 bionic chip, which will have the 5G connectivity. There are leaks suggesting that it will be around $399, so having a fastest chip you can compromise on other things. There are a few rumors talking about the iPhone SE 3 Plus model, which can have 5.7 or 6.1 inches display, but it is not confirmed that Apple is going to do this. iPhone SE 3 may have a smaller battery, just like its predecessor. The battery will be around 1821 mAh, the one like the iPhone SE 2. iPhone SE 3 will have only one lens on the back, powers 12 megapixel and 7 megapixel selfie camera. So if you are tight on budget and still want the latest iPhone with the latest hardware, then SE 3 will be a good option for you, but you will have to compromise on design, cameras, and battery. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, are you willing to update to iPhone SE 3? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out!